So, good evening. What's dinner for today is munggo soup. Palaya shoots. So, we are just getting the because this one, show it.
Wait lang.
Basically, you can eat the ampalaya shoot, but it's yummy. A little bit of bitterness, and there is this one. It's bitter, but it's tasty, and it's wash this. Just wash this, and you can just add it to the soup. Cut the bitter melon. You should remove the seeds in the middle, and then just cut it. Add onion and garlic. So this is his style. But if this is my style, I will saute first the garlic and onion. But this is his own style of cooking. Also add the dried fish later. So it's now simmering. So we'll just let it boil until the munggo soften. So we will add the ampalaya, the bitter melon fruit. So that's the bunga. So it's boiling now. You add the
Dried fish. Ano? And there's a tag on it. And then
let it boil again. Now you see the munggo is become softer.
wait until you become munggo.
MSG,
Hindi.
bitter melon leaves, till
You
you
become.
until it cooks. Vegetable is cooked. You can taste it.
Not yet cooked. But you can taste it na. Dapat ikaw sumasandok.
Chicharon. So, dried pork skin, and then they fry
What?
it.
Oh, okay.
Munggo soup. So I was just enjoying my food. So this is it for now. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.